Hi y'all. So today I'm doing an unboxing. I ordered from Giorgio Armani a cologne that I found when we were traveling that I really like. And so it's the Armani code Perfumo. And what I did is I shopped around to find the best deal. Ended up actually finding the best deal on the Armani site. And I signed up with a coupon code and got, I signed up for their emails and they sent me a coupon code. So I got a discount for the first purchase, and also a bonus, and I'll show you what that is. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing now. It's a nice black box, and it has on the inside it says Armani Beauty, and it says Giorgio Armani. And let's see, go ahead and have it nicely gift wrapped in black. And here is the thing that I'm excited about. It's Armani code Profumo. And so I'll go ahead and open that up. You can look online. I did some research, and there's a lot of these that are counterfeited. So if you ended up buying it through a third party that's not an actual distributor, you might get it cheaper, but it may not be the right thing. So you might have a lot of side-by-side videos of the real and the counterfeit. So that's something to watch out for. It's getting to be more and more of a thing to look out for. And this was actually kind of a double size. I think it was 200 milliliters, so that'd be 6.7 ounces. So it's double the size of the colognes like I would usually get. It's a nice, it's actually pretty big for cologne. So that's the Armani code. I'll go ahead and spray that. Ooh. Yeah, that smells good. It kind of has a Coke scent. It smells really nice. So I like that initial Coke, and then has some spices and that sort of thing. So I really like it. So read about that on fragrantia.com. It's really nice. And yeah, I'm excited about that. So this should last me twice as long as a regular cologne. So pretty excited about that. And also in the box, I got 2 free samples I got to pick. And so I got this is the Giorgio Armani Perfumo, and they sent me the Armani code Cologne. So looking forward to trying that one out too. This one is Sun de Gaiawa. So I'm not sure. I'll have to read about that and see if this one's a ladies or a man. So anyways, two things to try. So this excited about trying those too. And then the most exciting thing besides the discount was also it came with a lipstick, which I don't actually wear lipstick, but this is a $38 lipstick, and it came for free. And had a couple of different choices, but this was the one that I picked. So I don't wear lipstick except when I kiss my wife. I get some, but I will re-gift this to my wife. And so it has it's a nice red Giorgio Armani lipstick. It has a magnetic closure. That's just really cool. So I'll be excited about that. Really neat. And then, I don't smell it. Some lipstick smell. And then so it'll, I think you turn it like this. Yeah, that's how it works. So it's pretty. It has a, I can see if you can see that. I'm not sure if we can focus on that or not, but it has the Giorgio Armani symbol. And I think that's it. Yep, that is it. So anyways, just wanted to show you that. Excited about this. And if you do go on are searching for a Armani fragrance, you might check around the usual sources, retailers, and then you might also check directly with Armani, because you may get a free $38 item lip product. So pretty neat. So anyways, thanks for watching, and that's it for now.